My name is Adrian Clark with Freeborders, and I'd like to show you how your SAP CRM application can be socially enabled using Yammer and a connector developed by Freeborders. The connector is a lightweight application within SAP that creates activity stream updates in Yammer when a specific event happens to an object a user has chosen to follow. In order to demonstrate this, I'm going to start by creating a new quote in the SAP CRM application. I'm now in the SAP CRM application, where I'm going to go through the steps of creating a quote. I'm just going to enter a sold to party number and then save the quote. Now that we've saved the quote in CRM, let's choose to follow that quote so that any changes made to that quote are updated on our Yammer activity stream. Back in CRM, I'm going to click on the Follow button. It lets me know that I'm now following this quotation in Yammer. Notice that the button toggles so that I can stop following this quote at any time. Now that we're following this quote, let's make a change to the quote status and see if that change updates our activity stream in Yammer. I'm clicking on the Edit button, and I'm changing the status of the quote from Open to In Process and saving the quote. The result that we would expect to see is the user following the quote is notified of the change. Let's check our Yammer activity stream to see. I'm now in my Yammer activity stream, and as you can see, I just received a notification that the quote I recently created was changed from a status of Open to In Process. As you can see, there are many stories in my activity stream, including other quote changes, business partner changes, purchase requisition changes, and sales order changes. Once an object has been written to the activity stream, searches can be performed in Yammer against that object. For example, if I wanted to find all quote changes for customer Memorial Hospital, I could do a search for Memorial, and it brings up all quote changes for that particular customer. In addition, an open graph link allows the Yammer user to display the changed object in SAP CRM. If I click on the link for the quote that was recently changed, it takes me into the SAP CRM application so that I can display that specific quote. In the SAP CRM application, any change that records to the change log or any system or user status change can write a notification to the Yammer activity stream. We can also integrate into SAP workflow. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of our SAP to Yammer connector. If you'd like additional information, please contact us at the URL below.